Today I have something I have never done unboxing like this. This gadget is special, so just wait and watch what it is. We have adopted two special cats, British short hair, one male and female. So this, by the name, it's very short hair, but they have a very thick coat. So it's just sheds everywhere. So we have to take care of them. Otherwise, you're gonna find hairs everywhere. So for that purpose, we have purchased this grooming kit. This comes with a vacuum and some attachments, and also nail clipper, and also like paw trimmer. So it's very cool. It's not just for the cats, it's also for dogs. Okay, this product is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you what all the things comes with this, and then probably if I can, I'll try to hold the cat and try to do the grooming and try to show that. It's very difficult because my cats are so shy. They don't come in hand, and British short hair breed is like that. They don't like human holding them and kind of thing. They're not like that kind of cuddly kind of cats. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. I have never done such kind of unboxing in my life. This for the pet. So let me just go and open this. I just want to show it on the side view. Let's see. I guess this counts as a gadget. More of like we are doing unboxing and other stuff, so I just don't want to miss that. And I got this pink color. This is also something odd I never done in my life. I got it in pink. Here you go. Afloia, that's the name of the brand, and Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. It comes both. So this is the brand Afloia Green Living by Afloia. Oh, it's Afloia. And then Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. So it has for both cat and a dog. You can see it comes with a vacuum and a suction, and also you have a trimmer on the front. So as you trim it, all the hairs get sucked in, and then it comes with all the various type of brushes and stuff like that. So it's kind of a cool gadget for pets. So let me go ahead and unbox this one. As I said before, I never do such kind of unboxing on the video, but I thought of doing it because it looks so cool. Okay, here we go. Now as I open this one, oh, they have given a bag. Yeah, this is very important to have this so that you don't lose those attachments. It has happened with me many times. I've lost all the attachments, so that's not cool. Like the more you do that. So look at this. Very nice bag. Let's keep this one aside. And then what else comes? So this entire tray for the grooming stuff. Okay. So first thing first, this is very important. It has these spikes which helps the cat hair to get stuck in here, see? And then you have a vacuum here so that just everything sucks out. And this is, let me bring it closer to the camera. So this for pushing, so that's what it happens, like when you push, I have to show it in the side, right? So push. Okay, that's good. It gets locked. That's good. It locks, and then you do all your business, and then release it. So that's good. One thing, they did a lot of pink matching. There were like other colors, but I thought of doing pink because we have one female cat. So I want to go in favor of her for some time. See this one? It's not, just for your information, this is not a normal vacuum. The sound dB is very less than 50, I believe. That's what they promise. So the cats are not scared of it, right? They're not going to run away. And this one is brush, very good packaging. They have given this cup. You can remove it when you want to use it. Okay. So So I need to read what all these attachments are. Like I have seen once, but not enough, I guess. So this is the tray, nothing else. Okay. This will be a quick unboxing because there's nothing much. You have, let me put everything down here. Nothing much in the box. The other reason why I bought this kind of stuff is because even I have a lot of dust allergy, so I cannot withstand all those things. So yeah, so they gave a very cool trimmer. I'm not sure that I can use it for my head. There's blades here. It's pretty sharp, I guess so, but not that sharp that can hurt my cats. A lot of soft padding here. So they gave a small cap just in case. Okay. Oh God, I don't know how to put them back. Anyways, so that's the cap. And then everywhere there's a vacuum here. You see that? The moment you start trimming the hairs, it's going to fall here and then it's going to suck it in and just send it to the vacuum, which is a cool design. And then you have, oh my God, you can do without that as well. Turn down. So as you do it, if you turn on the vacuum as well, it's going to suck it all the hair, so you don't see any hairs falling anywhere. Just a cool design. I like it. And this is removable? No. So this blade is not removable. Maybe it will be there. I did not see it properly. Oh, there's a lock. Okay. Okay. You twist it. That's it. So now you have it. The entire module. You can wash this, so that you can put it back. So it's a very cool design. I like the way they have done this. They have given instruction very clear. People like me, see, you have to keep like this and twist. So very good design. I like it. And then let's go ahead and see the entire vacuum itself. This is the vacuum. Again, the packaging is so good. I like it. It is not, doesn't look so big. In the photos and in the thing, it looks so big, but it is not. See, it's very tiny, portable. Like it's a wire. The vacuum is here. It's good. And then you have a lot of things here. Look, how do I put this? Okay, so you push it in and then pull it out. So this is the filter. You can really wash this filter. Okay, and the dust, all the hairs are just gonna attach, get into this, sucked into this, and this foam. This is another filter. So you have that, and then it opens like this. There is another filter inside. So you have two-way filters, which is very good. And then you have a lot of attachments inside. Let me take it all. So once I take all the attachments, there's nothing there. It just locks. Okay, they have given a good bag to keep all the attachments, which is good. Oh my God. It's like opening a barber shop for the cats. See, you can do trimming it at home. You don't need to bring it to the outside. And this is the one. Let me open this and show. This may be very useful for us because their paws has a lot of hair. So this one is the tiny one. So you can trim the paws. And the paws, they have a lot of hair. So this is pretty good. It's not that sharp, I thought, but it'll get the job done, I believe. So it's another attachment. And this attachment goes on this one. So you can just take that one and put this one. Okay. And then there's a trimmer. I don't want to open this one yet. This is a small trimmer for their nails. If you don't want to clip them, you can trim them. Okay. That's one thing I always have. And there's a charger, USB-C, for charging the hand trimmer. Okay. So all this attachment is for the trimmers. So nothing thing, but whatever we attach, if we use this with the vacuum suction, then it will immediately take all of those inside. So that's good. Okay. And then this very big pipe. It's it's transparent, good, so that you can see. And I also like the detail, like they put the pink again. This is very cute. My wife gonna be so happy because we have something pink for her female cat and the male cat. So yeah, this vacuum itself looks so pretty cool. I really like it. The color is so not dark pink, it's light. Looks so cool. And yeah, I'm gonna fit all those things and try to see if I can show with the cat. Along with all those things, you also get the user guide, which I always recommend to go through once, because we may be assuming something else, but it will have something more. So I plugged it into the wall. It goes here. I kept it ready. I need to take my cat and do this one. So this has 3 levels of speed. The first one, you see, is gonna here. It's not that loud, like as you have the normal thing. And then you can increase the speed. Second level. Third level. I don't think so. I'm gonna start with the third level. I'm gonna start with the level 1. And it has 2 sponge filters. It's gonna take care of it. So let's see. So I got this lady here. We're gonna groom her first. And she is very kind, sweet, and very friendly. See, she's not meowing. She's so kind. And a lot of hair falls from her. So you can see this, right? So we're gonna groom her first. I'm not gonna trim. I'm just gonna get all the brush. Hope she's not gonna kill me. Hey, how do your nails? Okay. Okay, let me turn it on. Level 1. Okay, she's a little bit panicking. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. Okay. So this good is, it's okay, Sarah. She likes it actually, but it's just like first time. It's okay, baby. Sarah. Okay. So what is happening? It is just sucking in everything. Oh, don't go. Okay. No, Mama. Come here. Shut up, baby. Here. Oh, this is, see, you're liking it now. Good job, Sarah. So how it works is like this, and then now you see it's going inside. And you can see inside that tube from the top. I'm scared of doing the second one. We have another cat. That guy is, oh my God. Zen. Hello, baby. Are you good? Yeah. We'll get used to it slowly. Oh, come on. It's okay, Mama. Just cleaning. Okay, now. Oh. Now this is the second guy. Look at him. It's my teddy bear. Chocolate boy. His name is Zen. Okay, now we are gonna try on him. This is a big challenge, like this guy. Oh my God, you can see that.
You already knew something is happening.
Something is happening. Okay, you gotta help me. Wait, I'm gonna do first thing is this one. Okay, and then turn it on. This guy's gonna run now. Oh my God, this guy.
Okay.
Whoa. Take two. Nothing, Zen. It's just a brush, man, brush. Oh my God. Hey, brush. Oh, Zen. Look at the struggle. This little guy is looking at the camera. Oh!
Yay!
Wait, pakad. See this guy. So good. No, mama. Not like.
Good boy, Zane, good boy.
Big mouse. So look at the hairs, so much got into it, so good. There's no hairs here and there. The vacuum is sucking all of it, so it's good. So there you go. This is so good. It's really worth. I see that now we can groom them without getting a lot of hairs here and there. It's very difficult. Now because of the vacuum, as soon as you brush, it's just suck it in. So that's very good. And also they have given this brush to clean yourself if you feel like it's a lot of hair has come. But so far it's good. The only thing is like it is not that quiet. I thought it's 50 decibels or something, but still it will take some time to get used to it. As you can see, the other cat, the male one, is very aggressive, like he don't want to stay. It was very hard for us to do that. Maybe I think as the time progresses, he may get adopted to it, but just a disclaimer that you have to be aware that as soon as you buy it, don't have expectation that they're going to come to you and then they're going to show themselves to do the grooming. It's kind of because of the vacuum, I believe. We have done the brush before. It's not that kind of a deal, but the hair flies everywhere. So it is a must to have, but keep in mind your cat not going to love it in the beginning, but you keep doing it, they might like it. Moving on, it's kind of a risky purchase, I would say that. But if they like it, then it's good, like you're grooming them very well. So hope you like this video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe and share. Till then, bye, see you in the next video.